Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Epson Perfection V39 color scanner. I had brought it from Epson India. It is packed in thick polythene casing so that water and dust content may not damage the product. It is tightly sealed from all sides. And now I am going to rip it open. The MRP of this scanner is rupees 4999 INR, but I got it for rupees 4109 INR. It is tightly sealed from all sides, and here I am ripping it. The sleek Epson Perfection V39 scanner makes scanning, restoring and sharing photos easier than ever. It has a compact design with superior scanning on go. And here box is out a little bit more and it will be done. And here it is almost out. It combines exceptional scanning quality with superior scanning capabilities to capture the finest details with easy to use features for restoring archiving of most of your originals. And here this is the box. The Epson Perfection V39 is packed in box, and here you can see it has a logo Epson Exceed Your Vision. This is the Epson Perfection V39 scanner, and here you can see the barcode and there are other details, and here details about the product. Inside the box there is scanner, USB cable, software disk, setup guide. It has a scan resolution of 4800 dpi. It has a bit depth of 48 by 24, and there are other features about the product. And now I am going to open it, and here a little bit more, and I am going to open it. And here I have taken out my scissors, and now I am cutting it out, and here it is almost out. Now I am going to take out the scanner from the box. This is the Epson Perfection V39 color scanner, and here this is the USB cable. It is black in color, provided along with the product, and this is the product. And now I am taking it out, and here I have taken it out. Nothing more inside the box. Here I have kept that aside. It is packed in thermocol to avoid damage to the device. This is the Epson Perfection V39 color scanner. It is black in color, and this is the software CD and the instruction manual provided along with the product. And here the scanner is packed in polythene, and now I am going to take it out. It is black in color, and here this is the scanner. It is black in color. It has a brand logo Epson Perfection V39, and here it is written Epson Perfection V39, and these are the buttons. There are 4 buttons: scan, copy, send and PDF, and these are different buttons. And here this is the lid. I have taken up the lid. This is the detachable lid, and it is the flatbed scanner. From photos to documents, this versatile scanner makes everyday scanning job simple. It does not require any warm-up time, and this is a side part. This is USB cable, and there are other attachments, and this is the back side, and there is a built-in kickstand so that the scanner can be placed in the upright position. And here this is the Epson Perfection V39 scanner. It is very nice and very good, and this is the USB cable provided along with the product. It is black in color, and it can be attached to the side, and it is very strong and sturdy. And there are other things, and here these are the instruction guides. Here this is the software provided along with the product, and this is the CD, and this is the setup guide, and these are the instructions, and there are warranty card about how to use the product, and this is the setup guide. And here on this part there is e-clean and how to use it, and the product is very good. The Epson Perfection V39 color scanner is a fantastic scanner. Its advanced digital dust correction allows you to retouch your photos and cleans up dusty images. The V39 easy panel operation makes simple job a breeze by allowing you to quickly scan directly to email and PDF. The V39 kickstand feature allows you to stand it upright, saving valuable desk space for vertical placement. Its USB powered interface to pick up and use it with any computer without plugging it into the wall, and no AC adapter is required. With Epson Easy Photo Scan software, you can scan to Facebook and Picasa and other cloud devices for convenient storage. Its easy photo fix technology allows you to restore color to your faded photos, thus helping you to preserve your priceless memories. It is compatible with Windows 7 and above and Mac 10.x or above. It comes with Document Capture Pro for OCR and Scan to Cloud for document management for Google Drive or Evernote. Combining the outstanding performance with remarkable feature, Epson's V39 scanner helps you preserve valuable documents and preserve your most precious memories. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.